Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your WooCommerce to Google Merchant Center. First, go to the WooCommerce Marketplace and search for the Google Listing and Ads plugin. Install the plugin, then sign in with your Google account. You'll be redirected to Google Merchant Center. Create a new account or connect an existing one. Set up your account by entering your basic details like your business name. Configure your settings, target country, language, currency, age group, and more. Link your product catalog. Make sure to add product information like brand, GTIN, or MPN. Once done, your plugin dashboard will display your products, stock status, and listing information. And that's it. Your WooCommerce store is now connected to Google Merchant Center. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.